RR Kabel presents Short Circuit Se Suraksha, powered by News 18 Networks.
The famous quote from Abraham Lincoln says, "You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today." As the trailblazer of futuristic and technologically advanced products, RR Kabel has been living up to the sentiment for the last 4 decades. In our previous episode, we delved into RR Global's leadership role within the electrical industry, showcasing the safest wires and cables to the global community. Often overlooked, these concealed wirings serve as a foundation for a secure future in our homes. Today, we will explore how these hazard-safe cables are produced and what the vision of Mr. Kabra, owner of RR Kabel, is behind this initiative of providing a greener ecosystem and the revolutionary change in the lives of the homeowners. Spanning various business verticals in the electrical sector, RR Kabel meticulously crafts top-quality products. Their commitment to innovation and effective research and development underscores their belief that safety is ingrained in their corporate DNA.
We as an RR Kabel from beginning, and our purpose and inception of the company was from beginning now until today and forever, that we want to focus on safety. That's the reason that we got LOSS technology way back in 1999. And today, now in many countries are mandatory, and India is also going to implement it mandatory. We became the first company in India to have VD German approval. And today, we are the only company in the world which got 35 international approval for single factory. So safety is the purpose of a company, because we believe this is an electrical product. Electrical product itself is safety is big concern, and we should not compromise. And so far, we can say with very proud that we have none of the material got rejected, and all our customers, not only India but globally 90 countries, are intact. They are with us, and we keep on growing business with them with the new category of product. So safety is the DNA of RR Kabel.
Given the stark reality that in cases of electrical fires, most of the deaths are led due to smoke caused by substandard material choice in wire insulation, it becomes imperative for RR Kabel to ensure superior quality at every stage of production. Be it imported or domestically sourced, all the raw material which undergoes the manufacturing process is inspected thoroughly.
We choose the raw materials basis consistent performance for the various trials that we taken up. The copper which we use is meticulously processed to ensure defect-free surface finish. The online testing of high voltage ensures that the product has defect-free from pinholes. The product is further engineered to have REACH compliance, which is a directive which bans the usage of several harmful chemicals.
A wire is essentially characterized by two components, the conductor and the insulation. What distinguishes RR Kabel is their unwavering choice of raw materials. Their dedication to exclusively utilizing the highest quality copper cathode, meticulously transforming it into fine strands and ensuring flawless insulation through the use of top-tier raw PVC grains, positions RR Kabel as a powerhouse in pushing boundaries and resonating with people on a personal level.
Safety testing and quality control, they play a very crucial role. So we strive to ensure that the most stringent safety requirements are met and our products exhibit a high performance category. For this, the raw materials that we procure and we source from insulation to conductors are of the most stringent requirement. All of these are sourced from the best suppliers. Our supply chain is thoroughly audited and inspected to ensure our suppliers comply with the latest safety and quality requirements. Also, the products are tested at various stages and at the final goods for various process parameters as well as safety requirements such as insulation integrity, flame retardance, fire resistance. Even the environmental factors are also considered, and the cables are tested for various environmental conditions that it might be exposed to. Apart from these, the cables also undergo a very stringent life endurance test that could span over a year or more, to make sure that the users or our customers have the best and the safe products available with them.
With their manufacturing units established in Silvassa and Waghodia, RR Kabel has its own DSIR approved research and development team comprising highly skilled members. They test every intricate detail, explore every possibility of innovation without compromising on quality and protection. This unwavering dedication enables RR Kabel to integrate engineering excellence and advanced technology into their diverse range of products, including cables, wires, and numerous lighting solutions. These facilities not only scrutinize and produce a wide array of products, but also uphold a strong belief in the sustainability of the ecosystem, evidently visible in their environment, social governance, ESG practices.
See, Waghodia plant itself is not only just in engineering excellence, but in terms of like ESG, we would like to talk. That here, more than 55% power which we consume is from green, like solar and wind power energy. Whatever water conservation we do, almost 42% water we conserve ourselves. So not only just safety, but safety of environment, safety of rare earth, we are there.
The objective of shaping a safer ecosystem resonates across various aspects, be it in guiding solar panel installations in manufacturing facilities or achieving a minimum of 5.3% renewable energy in total consumption. Special nozzles have been implanted to minimize water wastage, and efforts are directed towards rainwater harvesting and the use of rechargeable water bore wells. Policies addressing non-discrimination, child and forced labor, as well as POSH and DEI, contribute to ensuring a secure workplace for employees. RR Global holds a profound commitment to social responsibility, firmly believing in contributing to society's well-being. The founder of RR, Mr. Rameshwar Lal Kabra, has been honoured with India's Pride Award, Padma Shri, for his notable work in rural and tribal societies. Adorned with numerous awards and recognition, RR Global conglomerates believe that trust, transparency, innovation, and quality embedded in their ethos is what attributes its status as the preferred choice among consumers across the globe.
RR Kabel ethos are safety, quality, and hence translating into trust. So if you look at all of our product line, they would be having either the innovation and of course quality and trust are the given thing. It's an integral part of everything we do. If you look at our wires and cables, today if you see that the safety insulation, we were the first in India to bring it LSOH. What it does, it doesn't propagate the toxic black smoke and it doesn't propagate the fire. Now that's the safety part of it. If you talk about core technology, the strands don't break, right? Unlike any traditional bunching. If you talk about innovation, you look at my switch lines, right? So in switches, what we did is the plate. So we brought 3-plate technology whereby we actually converted the switch plates into photo frames. So whether you want with the wall interior or whether you want the pictures to celebrate certain occasions, my switch plate became your photo frames. That was the innovation we brought in. You look at the fans, right? Today we have the BLDC fans, designer fans which are there. So there is always an innovative product line, and of course quality and safety is given thing which is integral part of everything that churns out of RR.
Introduced in 2021, the RR Kabel Star Scholarship Program consistently works towards illuminating the lives of children within the electrician community. By providing support at the foundation stage, these children are encouraged to dream big and pursue ambitious goals. Roshni strives to support the tribal societies in overcoming natural disasters and offers a platform for education and developing skills. This humanitarian approach extends beyond business and signifies the brand as wired to a sustainable and brighter tomorrow, reflects in Mr. Kabra's journey of making a trusted brand.
So I request through this media that people must check any electrical problem. I'm also a past president of IMA, and I'm still Wire and Cable Council chairman of ICA. From that platform also we are talking about the safety. So safety is a big concern, and we all know that in India The second highest death is after road accident is because of fire. And fire, we know that 70% fire takes because of electrical. And out of this 70% fire, 70% or more is because of wire and cable and switchgear. So we have to switchgear also, we have to wire and cable also. So we understand what is the value of these two categories of products. So here safety is the utmost priority. We, because this RR is a brand name of, belongs to my mother and father name. So we have lot more things to be taken care. So we as a safety compromise, we never use any product of scrap. We never use recycled PVC. We make our own compounds and best of best compounds available. Like solar cable, I would like to message here that whatever the solar projects are in India are there, you must go and check the solar wire quality. Now I'm happy that BIS is mandatory standard and BIS has put the same standard which was for TUU. Now, so the solar projects will be in much more safer hands. So one way we are talking about the green energy, but the green projects which are in India are as good as like you have in Europe, because this project's life is 30 years, but kind of material use, especially wire, I know that which wire they use and which quality they use. So life is not more than 5 or 7 years. So this is going to be a national loss. So we as an Indian company and as RR, we believe that for us, nation is first, for us, safety is first, for us, our brand image is first, for us, the trust of the people, not only India but globally, is must, because we believe enough is enough. The journey has shifted from unorganized to organized, organized to brand. But journey is now stopping here. Now next journey is going to be a trusted brand. So those who feel that they can spend money on TV advertisement or they can create a brand, but that can be a temporary, but then a trusted brand only created by your behavior, by your quality and by service. So we are into a journey of trusted brand.
RR Kabel presents Short Circuit Se Suraksha, powered by News 18 Networks.
Right from the beginning, RR Kabel has been characterized by state-of-the-art machinery, top-notch copper conductor materials, engineering excellence in wire binding to ensure flexibility without breakage, and the use of low-smoke insulation materials. All these elements come together to transform a simple wire into the flagship product, FireX, for households and industries, ensuring safety and reliability.
From our early days into the manufacturing of building wires, the focus has been to deliver at par with the global standards.
So in terms of, and from here, maximum product we export. So why? Because safety is concerned here, because we export maximum material from Vagodia here only. So almost we do more than 100 containers plus every month to, out of that, or 55% export is to Europe. And we all know Europe is very strict in terms of quality and electrical product itself. All the big giants of electrical industry, whether it's in cable, switchgear or any electrical product, they all started from Europe. And someone can do business in Europe with their own brand, with repeat business through distributor. Itself shows that how safety is a priority of Vagodia plant also and total as a RR Kabel.
Once after the product is packaged and ready to be re-exported and dispatched to the distributors, a real challenge arises: the market. The diversity of wires and cables in the display refrains consumers from making informed choices. Hence, they are exposed to high risks and potential threats concealed within their walls. The lack of knowledge and fallacious advice given by their contractors, consultants, technicians, as well as the undersized wire selling practices in the market can leave a scar on their lives forever. Statistics on electrical fire accidents reveal that in 70% of the cases, people lose their lives due to choking on thick, black, toxic smoke rather than succumbing to the blazing fire in the premises. The toxic smoke generates hindrance in breathing and visibility reduces to zero. The situation makes it difficult for victims to escape on their own, and the rescue team cannot evacuate them either.
So when it comes to electrical products, especially wires and cables, safety is the topmost priority, as you know, it is dealing with the current and electricity. But ironically, the product which should get maximum attention gets the lowest of the attention. Consumer is unaware of the facts. He is unaware, he is ignorant. So it is very important to change consumers' mindset and guide them through getting involved into making the decisions, because finally at the end of the day it's a matter of their family's safety. This is, though challenging a fact, we as a brand took this challenge to educate the consumer, to make the consumer aware of the risk of using inferior quality products and educating them of using the right quality product and guiding them through getting involved into the process of selection of the wires and cables.
The route that RR Kabel took to educate the end consumer is directly reaching out to them. Their Mythbuster campaign played a vital role in shifting the focus of consumers towards the significant considerations before making a purchase. The company conducted real-time demonstrations of external fires being put under the wire, allowing consumers to witness the difference firsthand. The videos posted by consumers after these tests forced a shift in their mindsets. RR Kabel addresses the fundamental aspects: industry-regulated compliances, technological integration, right size and material choices, among other concerns. These efforts form the foundation of creating a safer environment for homeowners and their families.
In products like wire and cable, though there are only two components, one insulation or dusra conductor, nothing else. But it is very important to know that this insulation, if it's not proper, then it can be very hazardous. If you start propagating fire in case of a short circuit, it emits toxic black smoke. So what marketing team does is, seeing is believing. They put actually the wire under the external source of fire independent of a short circuit. That's what happens precisely. So they show to the consumer that it's not propagating, neither it's dripping, neither it's emitting any toxic black smoke. Hence the survival chances are very high. The product is very safe. Now whether it's an offline or online, that's what the team does, right? So very simple example, कई बार ये होता है, हम लोग बोलते हैं कि हर हाई राइज में nowadays we see कि CCTV is become mandatory. Earlier कभी नहीं था. But we tend to forget. What my marketing team does is that एक अच्छे कैमरा को एक अच्छे वायर की ज़रूरत है. Then only you are able to capture the good picture. Otherwise it will not happen. What's the point of having a camera जहाँ पे आपको picture ही clear नहीं हो? So that's what RR Kabel delivers, right? In all forms. Fire alarm लगा तो लिया, मगर अगर फायर के इवेंट के केस में पहले पता लगे वायर ही एल्यूमिनियम का है, जहाँ पे टेम्परेचर विथस्टैंडिंग कैपेसिटी 400 है और फायर के केस में 800 डिग्री हो गया, अगर फायर अलार्म खुद जल गया तो वो क्या तो बज करेगा और क्या आपको अवेयर करेगा. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स व्हिच मार्केटिंग टीम कम्युनिकेट्स वेरी एफिशिएंटली, brings out that.
Creating an awareness and educating the consumer is a journey and cannot be done overnight, but we have been doing it constantly, consistently and honestly over a period of time. And all our these efforts and initiatives have started showing results. Now Indian consumer is getting aware, they are asking the questions, which type of wire, which brand of wire are we using. Also they are getting themselves involved in the making decisions, which is a good start.
RR Kabel achieved a significant milestone by becoming the first company to be listed on the stock exchange and issue its IPO under the T+2 regime. The company's commitment to safety and quality in each product has established a strong bond with consumers worldwide, making RR Kabel a trusted choice across the globe.
Yeah, we are in construction business from so many long years, and we have found that RR Kabel is, in terms of quality, in terms of price, in terms of services, we are getting very good response from our dealers as well as suppliers.
So in simple line word, for we believe RR means respectable relations, and for RR, for customers or my stakeholder, is a reliable resources. So we want to be in long term. Quantity we don't want to define because we are a listed company, so what our future plans are there. But we want to be the most trusted, most respected brand, not only India, but globally. Right now we are in 90 countries, but we want to be at least 135 countries is our goal, and which we are moving ahead also. So we want to be a leader in quality, brand name, trust, safety and availability.
The RR Kabel initiative, Short Circuit Se Suraksha, aims to educate people about the technical considerations when selecting wiring from their homes. The heart, intact in conduits, carry the lifeblood of your house 24/7, 365 days of the year. Even a minor negligence concealed behind your walls can escalate into a swift disaster. So it is crucial to ponder on it, inquire about it, and once you have installed the right wiring, confidently forget about it.
RR Kabel presents Short Circuit Se Suraksha, powered by News 18 Networks.